Hey folks, one thing I don't like about this AMD header panel for the 1970 Barracuda Cudas, this nose right here. See this little tip here? That is not crisp. I don't like it. The only thing is that if I change that to my original one, I have to do all the spot welds and transfer it over. So all these little braces, these spot welds have to come out in order for me to put the original header panel back in there. See how it's definitely not crisp. That's how you can tell it's an aftermarket header panel, people. Look at that. I don't know. Maybe some people, they don't notice it. Me, sticks out like a big nose. All right, that's it. Just want to let you know. You guys are okay with it? You can put it on your car, but I'll figure something out.